Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Portugal lost its empire. Portugal's vast global empire, once a dominant force, began its long decline after the 16th century. Economic challenges and intense competition from other European powers gradually eroded its strength. The loss of key trading posts and territories further diminished its influence, setting the stage for a significant shift in global power dynamics over the following centuries. The early 19th century marked a pivotal moment with Brazil's declaration of independence in 1822, representing a massive territorial and economic loss. Portugal then faced costly colonial wars, draining vital resources and manpower. The intense scramble for Africa in the late 19th century further intensified competition, forcing Portugal to defend its remaining African holdings against other ambitious European nations. Following World War II, a powerful wave of decolonization swept across the globe, challenging European colonial rule. Portugal, however, resisted these movements, attempting to maintain its African colonies through military force. This prolonged struggle culminated in the Carnation Revolution in 1974, a military coup that dramatically shifted Portugal's political landscape and its approach to its overseas territories. The Carnation Revolution swiftly led to the independence of Portugal's African colonies in 1975, marking the end of centuries of colonial rule in Angola, Mozambique, Guinea-Bissau, Cape Verde, and São Tomé and Príncipe. Later, Macau, its last remaining overseas territory, was peacefully returned to China in 1999, officially concluding Portugal's extensive imperial history. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Be sure to check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.